guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. Got my Christmas tree on. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I want to share with you guys what I want to eat, which is like sticky rice, like Burmese soul food kind of, mainly like fried food and some sticky rice. I'm cooking it right now, and I'm frying, deep frying yellow split bean, which is called like bekacho. I'll show you guys. These are my ingredients right here. Woo. It's still hot. So I'm gonna show you guys these. So for the tempura batter, this is what I use. I just found this at an Asian market, so this is what I use. And then this is the overnight. I soaked it, not overnight. I soaked this for like 6 hours this morning, and it's like soft, like you can break it apart.
Our light is on, but the online light is not on yet. Okay.
So you guys, I did some dipping sauce. That looks kind of scary, but it's really not. A chinton. And then I got my sticky rice. So you guys, I am in my 20 weeks and 4 or 5 days. No, actually I'll be 21 weeks. Oh my god, I am almost 21 weeks.
Yeah. Cranberry juice. Basic water, mother.